guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Brainbox. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Hackintosh on any laptop. I'm going to show you how to install Mojave. Mojave is a version of Hackintosh, just like you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. For one reason, Mac OS don't do theirs based on 7 or 8. They have High Siri, they have Siri, they have Mojave, they have Catalina, and they have Big Sur. So today I'm going to try to install Mojave on any laptop, guys. So guys, the things you're going to be needing, obviously you need your USB flash drive ready. They have a 16 gig space or more. I recommend you should have 16 gig space or more. Then you need an internet connection because you're going to be downloading some files. Right, guys, most of the files included is your mini 2 partition. We're going to be using this to create a partition on our hard disks. Then we need another software called Balena Eta. This is the software we're going to be using to create a bootable USB flash, as you can see. Then you also need another software called Explorer Plus Plus. In a little while I'm going to show you why we need Explorer Plus Plus. So guys, and also you need a folder. You need a folder called KIG. This folder is an EFI general config folder that I already created for you guys, so that you won't have any issue when installing it on your laptop, guys. All this will be in the description below, so guys, and it is totally free. All you need is to have your flash drive ready and your internet connection. So guys, let's jump right into it. So guys, after downloading your Mojave, I already downloaded it. Yes, as you can see it, guys. After downloading it, the link will be in the description below. After downloading it, now you open your Balena Eta. Make sure your USB is inserted into your laptop. Now you go to select image. Then you want to go to your Mojave that you have downloaded. Okay guys, this is it. You click on open. Once that open, it starts flash. Now you click on flash. Then it will start making a bootable USB for you guys. So guys, while this is going on, now you move to this tool called mini 2 partition. As you can see, this is my hard disk I want my Mac OS to be installed on. Guys, in this tutorial also I'll be showing you how to dual boot. Dual boot means having 2 or more OS on an hard drive. So I'm going to show you how to dual boot, so you can boot alongside your Windows with Mac OS. And guys, the most exciting part is that you will not lose any data. You will not lose any data. This is completely safe as long as you follow this tutorial, guys. So guys, first now you right click, move to this. Then now you give it the space you want to, but as for me, I will suggest you give it to at least 40 gig of space, because but for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to give it like, let's say 45. Tutorial, you can give it anything, guys, depending on how large your hard disk is. Then you click on OK, and you can see here, guys, it has created an unallocated partition here. So all you have to do now again is right click on create. Now you're going to name it anything you want. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to name it KIG. Then after that you click on OK. As you can see, guys, it's already there, guys. Now you click on apply, then click on yes, guys. Then you start doing. As you can see, guys, our bootable USB is still loading, so we're gonna wait. If you look at that, it's saying 21 minutes remaining. So guys, okay, it is done creating, guys. So once it's done creating, what you have to do now is to wait for our Balena Eta to finish creating our bootable USB. So once this is done, guys, I'm going to come back once this is done, and I'm going to show you the next step to do. So guys, after creating your USB bootable drive, as you can see, I stored the flash completed. Now you have to move to move to your Explorer Plus Plus. All this will be in the description below. Now you run your Explorer Plus Plus as administrator. Once you run it as administrator, you open it, give it time. It's gonna going to load. As you can see, guys, it has loaded. Now you locate your USB flash. Now guys, as you can see, there is no USB flash drive here. My USB flash drive is not here. I don't know if you could see, but now if you are facing this same problem, I will show you what to do. I will show you a solution to this. Now you go back and open your Mini2 partition. You open your Mini2 partition. You open it, guys. Let it to load. If you are facing this, follow this step. Now you click on this partition that said EFI file. You click on it. Once you click on it, you right click. You see when it says hide partition, or you click on it, then you click on it again and click on hide partition. Now you give it any volume, but for the sake of display, I'm going to give it volume Z. It can be any volume. I'm going to make sure I will give it Z. On your, it can be anything, it can be any letter. Give it Z and click on OK. When you click on OK, just click on apply, guys. When you click on apply, guys, wait for it to do. Wait. It's gonna take some time. It's taking a little bit longer. I don't know why. It's taking a bit longer. Okay, guys, it's done, guys. As you can see, guys, it's done now. It has told you all apply successful change. Now you go back to your Explorer. Now you refresh. Voila, guys, you see there's a new folder called EFI and it's called Z. I hope all of you can see this, guys. I hope all of you can see this, guys. Now there's a new partition. The partition is called Z. Now, guys, all you have to do now is follow what I'm going to do now. Just follow what I'm going to do now. I'm going to leave this folder in the description below for you guys, so you can follow now. This KIG folder, all you have to do now is copy it and place it in this new folder called Z. You just place it in this folder, you paste it. It's going to take some time to paste. It's gonna take some time to paste, so you have to wait, guys. You have to be patient with this, guys. Do not rush anything and do not skip the video. You wait. It's copying it into the folder. You wait, guys. Okay, guys, now voila, it is done. It is done, guys. Now, guys, this is another thing you have to do. This KIG, rename it to EFI, capital EFI. Just rename it to capital EFI. Once you name it to capital EFI, click on enter. That's rename. Now, guys, there is another trick I want to show you. Now go back to partition 2. Now this partition is saying MBR. It's saying MBR. Now right click and convert MBR to GPT. See it, guys. Convert MBR to GPT. There is a reason why I urge you to do this, guys. This is because of Mojave doesn't run on MBR, guys. Mojave doesn't run on MBR. So just convert it to GPT. Once you convert it to GPT, you click on apply again and let it run again. Hope you guys are following this step. Now once it's done, click on OK, guys. Voila, guys. As I said, guys, you are done with everything. Now all you need to do now is to reboot your system, and we are going to boot into the BIOS setup and continue the installation, guys. Okay, guys, now make sure your USB is inserted. Now you hit turn on your system and hit F10. Once you hit F10, we want to move into the, we hit F10 so I can move into our BIOS setup. This is my BIOS setup, as you can see, guys. Now, depending on the model of your laptop and the BIOS configuration, just follow these steps. Go to boot option. In boot option, make sure this following options are checked. UEFI boot mode, make sure that is checked. The UEFI boot mode, make sure it is checked. eSATA boot, make sure it is checked, and make sure USB device boot is checked. Once all these are checked, we have one more step to take. Now move to device configuration. Device configuration. Okay, in device configuration, make sure USB legacy support is unchecked. Do not check USB legacy support. Now, SATA device mode, make sure it is checked at AHCI. Please, guys, this is very, very important. Do not check IDE or RAID. If any of these two is checked, uncheck it and check AHCI, please, guys. It is very important. Now scroll down. When you see virtual technology, make sure you check virtual technology. Virtual technology for direct I and O, do not check that. Do not check that. After that, guys, we save the configuration. After saving it, guys, you exit it. It's asking me to save changes. You click on yes. Now it will start again. When it is starting now, do not hit F10, hit on F9, guys. Hit on F9, guys. Now, if you hit on F9, now based on my system, it's going to be different from yours. I've seen some system that the USB will be down here. Your USB will be down here. If that is your own case, guys, just scroll down to where your USB is and click. But if your own is just like mine that says boot from EFI files, just go to that option and click on enter. Now it shows you another option, guys. I'm going to click on enter again. It's saying EFI files. Click on enter. Now I am having 3 folders: Apple, Boot, and Clover. I'm going to go to Boot and hit enter, guys. Just wait for it to load. Voila, guys, as you can see, guys, these are what you're going to do now. Concentrate. Do not concentrate on the windows. Concentrate on what is down below, guys. Concentrate on the thing that is written down. Move to, just be hitting the down button on your keyboard until it goes to this option, guys. You hit enter, guys. This is just one change. This is a universal configuration, so I just want you to make just one change. Hit enter. Now, I don't know if you can see this, guys, but it's asking to use this option, use Neva WebDriver. If you are not using, if your system graphic card is not NVIDIA, just go down and check it. Even though it's NVIDIA, just go down and uncheck these, guys, to avoid any glitches. Just go down and uncheck it. To uncheck it, just go down to the option and hit enter, and to uncheck this option, that is the option you need to uncheck, guys. Use NVIDIA web browser and you uncheck it, then leave the rest like that. Hit enter, return. Now he said boot Mac OS from Mojave. Now just hit enter. You hit enter and you wait. Now, guys, you see the Apple logo will come up. You have to give it some time. As you can see, guys, now it is loading. You have to wait. This process takes a little bit of time, so you have to be patient with it. And if you face any issue, kindly comment below. I'll be happy to help out, guys. Also, guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit on the notification bell for amazing tutorials. Share to your friends, guys. In this channel, I'll be uploading so many amazing stuff on hacking, jailbreaking, bypassing, so many things, guys. So I will urge you to stay in touch, because it's a bumpy ride, and I assure you it's going to be fun-filled. It's still loading, guys. Depending on your laptop, it takes a little bit of time. If it's a very, very old laptop, it can take a longer time. But it shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 minutes tops. 2 to 3 minutes tops. It should be working. Okay guys, it's still loading. I would have cut the video and show you guys when it has started working, but I want you to watch the full video to show you and let you know that I'm not using any trick. It is fully working, and I want you to have a better understanding about this, so that after watching this video you could do it on your own without actually running into any errors. It should be working soon. Okay guys, it has showed a blank. Okay guys, as you can see, it is showing a white. I don't know if you can see it well now. It has now showing a gray colored. You still have to leave it. It's still part of the loading process. Okay guys, as you can see now, it has showed it is working. Yes guys, we are into it. We are in it guys. I don't know if you can see it, but voila, this is what you should be seeing now on your laptop. This should be the option should be created in. Now guys, this is what we are going to do. Please guys, follow this step. Now first of all, you move to this option that said Dix utility. You click on it, you click on continue, you wait. It's going to load your Dix. Okay guys, I don't know if this is the presentation we created the other time. I don't know if you remember, so you are going to click on it, go to erase. Once you erase, make sure it's in APF file. Make sure it's in this option APFS. Make sure it's in APFX. Once you click on it, then guys, I'm going to click on erase. You wait for it. It's creating mounting space. Now guys, everything should go well. Guys, have you seen it now? It has erased it. Now once this is done, guys, the next step we're going to do is go to Dix utility up here. Then you will quit Dix utility. That's why you quit this utility. Now you go to utility again. This utility up here. Utility is up here. Now move the terminal. Wait for it now. In terminal, I want to input it the way I'm going to input it. If you cannot see it, I'm going to write it in the description below. Date. I'm going to write date space 11 28 4 zeros 1 2 3 4, then 2019 guys. Once I finish writing it, I want to write this in the description below for those that are not seeing it. You hit enter. Once you enter, to tell you November 28 00 2019. Once you are done, you go to this and you quit your terminal. Once you are done quitting terminal, now guys, the next step now, we go to install Mac OS. This one, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on continue guys. Now it's going to ask you to continue. It's asking, now you click on agree. You click on agree. Now do you see this guys? This is our KIG file we created in our Windows. So you click on install. Now guys, your system may reboot so many times, like 3 to 4 times. So guys, I'll be keeping you updated. It should start loading now. This is the first phase of the installation. This one will take like 6 to 7 minutes. Then it will reboot, and I will tell you what next to do. But I want to wait. You see, it's writing. Okay, now I'm wrong. I don't know if you can see it right, guys. It's writing. Okay, now it's writing. It has gone back. It's writing about 6 minutes remaining, guys. It's writing about 6 minutes remaining, guys. Make sure you stay with your laptop, because it's going to reboot so many times, and I'm going to be telling you what next to do. Alright guys, after the first phase of installation, your system is going to reboot. As it's rebooting now, make sure you click on F9. As you can see, I'm hitting on F9. Now guys, for you, those guys that have your USB option here, you can go down and scroll down to it and hit enter. But for me, I don't have that option. I'm going to go to boot from EFI files. I hit enter. Now as you can see now, there's already 2 options created there. But guys, you hit the last one, because the last one says USB. The ones that say, the option that said USB, you go to it, hit enter. Now you go to your EEFI files, click on it and hit enter. As you can see now, we go back, hit on boot, go to boot 69 EFI, click on it and hit enter, and wait for it to load, guys. As you can see now, there's already two options. Before there was only one option that says boot from Mac OS, but now there's two options. This one now said boot Mac OS install from KIG. Guys, are you seeing it now, guys? Go to this option that said boot Mac OS install from KIG. Yours may be anything you name your partition, then hit enter, guys. Then you wait. It's going to load like before. It's going to load like before. I want to show you this process. I would have cut this video and come back to it, but I want to show you guys something, because this is where most people get error. So guys, keep watching. And guys, please make sure before you install this, if you're on a low level laptop, after installing Mojave, you may experience sluggishness in the okay. Now guys, that show blank. Now as you can see, guys, okay, it is loading. If you can hear my fan now, it's rotating quite fast. Okay guys, as you see now, guys, this is the second phase of installation. Now it's telling you now installing on KIG, about 17 minutes remaining, guys. This is the second phase of the installation, guys. Now this process, depending, sometimes it takes more than 17 minutes. So guys, after this is done installing, it will restart again. So guys, as you can see, my system has to start again. This is what I want to show you guys, because most people complain about this. If you start again, all you have to do is hit F9 when it starts now. For those that have their USB option down here, you go to it. For those that doesn't have, go to boot from EEFI file, you hit enter, go to boot. You should be familiar with this already. Now boot Mac OS install from KIG, you hit enter again. Now it's going to load again. It's going to load again. Okay guys, as you can see, it has gone back telling you about 17 minutes remaining. Now this time now it should start loading without any error. As you can see now, it has started loading. Now it has moved down to 16. Now guys, I'm going to come back once this is done, because after it is done loading, it's going to reboot again on its own. So guys, you just have to be patient with it, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, it's telling me about a minute remaining. It's still loading. Now if I get to this process, guys, this shows you are almost done installing Mojave on your laptop. The next, you see, writing less than. Please guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit on the notification bell icon, and share to your friends. And if you faced any error, kindly comment, and I'll be more than happy to listen to your complaints and happy to help out fix the problem, guys. It's almost done, guys. After this, going to reboot one more time. After that, I think that will be it. It's almost done. Okay, now as you can see, it's saying it starts now. You have to just wait it will restart. Now your system will restart. Now as it's restarting, you hit F9. Now for those that have the USB here option down here, you go to that. But for those that doesn't have, you go to the option that says boot from EFI files. Move to USB. Do not move boot from this yet. Go to your USB, because we have one more step to do before we can boot normally without our USB. Now we go to boot from King. Go to that option and hit enter. You wait. The Apple logo is on, guys. Now guys, it will start showing this writing will start loading again as it used to. It will take a little while. It's going to take some time. It's going to take a little bit longer. Just wait, guys. Wait. Do not do anything. If you do everything right, guys, everything should work out for you. If you follow this video step by step and do everything I did, everything should work out for you. It's going to take a little bit time. Do not panic, just wait. This process take a little bit longer, probably 3 to 4 minutes. Depending on your system though. But this is the final process is going to boot into. It's booting into the final process, so it's loading a large amount of files. So you just have to be patient with it. Okay guys, as you can see, it has showed the white button. Okay guys, I don't know if anybody could see this. You can see my mouse cursor is here. Let me move it here. You can see now my mouse cursor is showing right here. It's still loading. As I said before, my system is a kind of old system, so it takes now. As you can see now guys, voila, we are almost done. We are almost done guys. Now it's asking to choose your country. I'm from Nigeria, so I'll just scroll down and select Nigeria. Depending on where you are, depending on the country you are, scroll down. Okay, Nigeria. I hit. Once you select Nigeria, now you click on continue. Now you select. You tell you to choose your keyboard layout. Now this depends on where you are from. This depends when you are from or the country you are from. You should be able to know your keyboard layout. But as for me, my keyboard, this is my keyboard. The default one is my keyboard. So you click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. It's telling you setting up network. You wait for it. Now, it said Mac isn't connected to the internet right now. Just ignore that and click on continue. You wait. You're almost done, guys. Just click on continue. Click on continue. Click on agree. Now it's asking for your full name. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to give it KIG. The full name and account name will be the same thing. Password 1234. For you, it can be different. Password 1234. Then click on continue. Now it's creating an account. We are almost done. We should be created into a Hackintosh soon. Click on continue. Now it's setting it up. Now it's asking which mode you want. I prefer the dark mode. As you can see, you can select the light mode or dark mode, but for me I prefer the dark mode. Click on continue. I said setting up your Mac. It's almost done, guys. We are almost done doing this. Now all we have to do is asking you, just ignore this and click on continue. And guys, as you can see now, we already have Mac OS installed on our system. As you can see, this is a real Mac, guys. When you go to the Apple logo up, this small Apple logo up, click on it and go to about this Mac. It's going to pop it out. As you can see now, it's telling you Mac OS Mojave version 10.14.6 Mac Pro. As you can see, guys, everything is working. But guys, for now, guys, in this method you cannot boot without a USB. So guys, I'm going to give you a solution to that. We're going to be downloading an application called Clover. The description will be, the link will be in the description below. I already have it on my Windows, so all I have to do now, guys, from your Mac, the nice thing about this Mac OS, from this Mac OS you can access your Windows file. So I'll move to this untitled. As you can see, this is my Windows file. I already have Clover installed. Clover, I'll go to My default one is HP. Don't worry guys, I'll leave this in the description below for you guys. I think it's in desktop archival. Okay guys, I have to look for this. I'm not that sure, but I have to look for it. Okay, I guess this is it. You drag and drop it here. Don't worry guys, all this will be in the description below. Now you just open the zip. As you can see, it's extracting the zip. It's going to take some time. We're going to use an application called Clover. So guys, this is the file now, as you can see guys. So you double click, it's going to open. Have you seen it now? This file called Clover. Let me it's a Clover configurator. This is the file I'm going to use to make sure that we can boot from our hard disk without using the USB. So we're going to double click and open Clover. Now as you can see, Clover is opened. Now guys, you go to the option that said mount EFI. This option here, mount EFI, you click on it. When you click on it now, it is showing us our main hard disk, which is this one, and our USB. You go to mount file partition, it asks for your password. My password is 1234, as I've done before. You click enter. Mount password, you put your password. Now what this does is that it mounts your hard disks and your USB on the Mac, so you can access it from there. So guys, now this is the next step guys. You move to this finder, then you right click and move to new finder window, click on open. Now you're having two EFI files here guys, but your USB one is the one that's ejectable. The one that is having this arrow is your USB one. This one guys, this one is for your hard disk. So all you have to do now is go to this one, the one that you go to the one that have this sign here. You double click it. When you double click it, you see this folder here. All you have to do now is to copy this folder. You click on copy EF file. Once you copy it, you paste it. Just ignore this one. You see there's an EFI file there, but you just paste it here. You paste it. It's asking you now, do you want to see now? It said an older file, EFI file is there. What do you want to do? Just click on replace guys. Click on replace guys. You click on replace. It's already doing guys. Done. Once you are done, right now you can boot directly from your hard disk. You don't no longer need your USB flash. Now guys, to confirm this for you, as you can see, this my USB flash is installed. You can go ahead and remove it. You don't need that anymore. You see, it has it's telling you have injected your USB flash down. I'm going to shut it down. Now I'm going to boot from my hard disk. As you can see, there's no USB here. I don't have, this is a cable, this is also a cable. I don't have anything installed, anything. So now next time, once you just click on the power button, automatically you don't need to press anything. You don't need to press anything on your keyboard. Clover will open it. Voila, can you see it guys? Clover will do everything. Now guys, to show you that my dual booting is working, first of all, to show you that my dual booting is working, as you can see now, boot from Windows. So your window file will not be lost. You can recover now. You can boot Macos from your KIG files. As you can see, there is no USB whatsoever plugged into my system. Now once you click on enter on your keyboard, it will boot directly from your hard disk guys. This is the most amazing part of this tutorial. You don't need a USB flash anymore, and you won't lose your Windows partition, so no data is lost. This is totally safe. As long as you follow this video, nothing is going to happen to your Windows partition. I want this to load, so you can see that it's loading. and I will switch it off and turn it on again and show you that my Windows partition also is there. No data is lost. Everything is working perfectly. On the second, when loading from hard disk is a little bit faster because you're loading directly from a hard disk. As you can see, guys, there is no hanky panky, there is no USB plugged in. This is totally safe as long as you follow the tutorial, guys. Everything is gonna work as long as you follow the tutorial, guys. Please, guys. Please, guys. Alright, guys, as you can see, it's booted without a USB flash. You go ahead and put your password, hit enter. I always love Mojave. It's kind of nice. It's kind of slow on my system somehow because I'm using a old system. As you can see, my mouse cursor is working with. See, guys, as you can see, everything worked as planned. Everything is working. So, guys, you can do whatever you want to do. Also, in the next coming tutorial, I'm showing you how to jailbreak your iPhone. I'll show you how to bypass iCloud, how to bypass passcode lock on your iPhone. All that will be coming very soon. But I want to show you one more step, guys. When I click on the small Apple logo, I click on restart. When I click on restart, I want to show you that my window. Okay, I want to uncheck this option. I want to show you that my window file is still there. No file is lost, guys. So I'll wait for it to restart. As you can, you don't need to press anything. Everything will be done for you. Okay, guys, it show you this option now. When I go to my boot from Windows and I hit enter, voila! Are you seeing it, guys? I had Kali and I booted Kali and Windows 10 before. Now, guys, can you see that it is working? When you click on it, my Windows 10 will start loading. Are you seeing it, guys? That everything, there is no data loss, guys. So, guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please share to your friends. And if you have any question, comment down below and I will answer you, guys. Thank you so much.